When I started looking for a cordless vacuum, I wanted something that was powerful, lightweight, and actually good with pet hair without costing a fortune. After using the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LEV AC200 Essential, I can honestly say this vacuum surprised me in the best way possible. First impressions matter, and right out of the box, the LEVOIT LEV AC200 feels well built but not heavy. It's lightweight, sleek, and very easy to assemble. I didn't even need to open the manual, it just clicks together naturally. If you're like me and hate complicated setups, you'll appreciate that. One of my favorite features is the cordless design. Not being tied to an outlet is a game changer. I can move freely from room to room, up the stairs, and even clean my car without switching plugs. LeVoit claims up to 50 minutes of runtime, and while that depends on the power mode you're using, I was able to clean my entire apartment on a single charge, using a mix of normal and high suction. That's more than enough for everyday cleaning. Now let's talk about suction power because that's where this vacuum really shines. For a lightweight stick vacuum, the suction is impressive. It pulls up dust, crumbs, and dirt from hard floors effortlessly, and it performs really well on rugs and low-pile carpets. I have pets, so pet hair is a daily battle, and this vacuum handles it like a champ. The Tangle-Resistant roller design is one of my favorite features. If you've ever had to cut hair out of a vacuum brush, which is honestly the worst, you'll understand how valuable this is. Whether it's pet hair or human hair, the roller picks it up without wrapping everything around the brush. I've been using it regularly and I've barely had to clean the roller at all. Another thing I love is how versatile this vacuum is. It comes with multiple attachments, including a pet tool, which is perfect for furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. I use it on my couch, mattress, and even curtains. Switching between attachments is quick and simple, making it easy to clean different surfaces without stopping your momentum. The easy empty dust bin is another big win. With just one click, the bin opens and empties directly into the trash. No mess, no touching dust, and no frustration. It's a small feature, but it makes a huge difference in everyday use. LeVoit also includes washable filters, which I really appreciate. Instead of constantly buying replacements, you can just wash and reuse them. This not only saves money, but also helps maintain strong suction over time. The 5-stage filtration system does a great job capturing fine dust, pet dander, and allergens, which is especially important if you or someone in your home has allergies. The roller brush is detachable and washable, which makes maintenance incredibly easy. I like that LeVoit clearly designed this vacuum with real people in mind, people who want effective cleaning without complicated upkeep. Another thing worth mentioning is how quiet this vacuum is compared to others I've used. It's powerful, but it doesn't sound like a jet engine. That's a huge plus if you have pets, kids, or just prefer a quieter cleaning experience. For the price, this vacuum offers incredible value. At $149.96 with a 25% discount, it feels like a steal, especially considering it's an Amazon's Choice product with over 11,000 reviews and a 4.3-star rating. You're getting premium features without paying premium prices. Overall, the LEVOIT LEV AC200 Essential Cordless Vacuum has become my go-to for daily cleaning. It's lightweight, powerful, easy to maintain, and excellent for pet hair. Whether you live in an apartment, a house, or have pets constantly shedding everywhere, this vacuum gets the job done without stress. If you're looking for a reliable cordless vacuum that balances performance, convenience, and affordability, I genuinely recommend checking this one out. It's made my cleaning routine faster, easier, and honestly, less annoying, and that alone makes it worth it.